So I'm currently renting a Buick Envision, and I have keyless entry via this fob. I press either of these buttons and they work as expected. And there's also a button on the door handle here, and you would expect pressing it would unlock the doors, but I just get flashing lights. Sometimes there's a message that comes up on the instrumentation panel, but nothing happens. I can press this button here, this button, and I could go over to the passenger side and nothing works. I actually have to use the key fob to actually unlock doors. So how do you solve this problem? I'll show you how. You have to start the car. So in my car, you have to foot down on the brake pedal and then you press the engine start stop. Starts the engine, turn the air conditioning off, and then basically you have to use the infotainment system. So you press the home button if you need to, and it'll throw you back to the home page here with a bunch of options. The one you want is settings. And then you've got system, apps, and vehicle. Make sure you click on vehicle, and then you scroll down, and the setting that you want is in remote lock, unlock, and start. And it's the passive door unlock that you want. So you can either set it to be all doors, driver door only. I'm going to say driver door only. We turn the car off. You'll see in a second what happens. So the car is currently unlocked. You press it and the door locks. The button went down, you heard the click there. But now that we've changed the setting, I can press that button and it'll unlock the driver's door, but not this door. The driver's door now opens. There you go. Press it, it'll lock. Press, unlocks. And if I press it a second time, it'll unlock the passenger doors as well. So there you go. That is how you make that button on the door handle work for you. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe.